Let's thread the 503A here. So there's two spool pins on it. You can thread either one, and then there is a thread guide up here, and the thread comes down under that thread hook and then over a thread guide here, and then it goes around the tensioner, and we've got our spring finger and this hook. Once it's around all of that, it goes in this guide, and then it goes through the take-up arm, and then it comes down through a guide here, and then there's a guide on the bottom of the head, a guide on the top of the needle bar, a guide on the needle clamp, and finally it threads from the front to the back. And of course, there we go. Every time I'm just testing a stitch or whatever, it threads no problem. And then when I'm doing the threading video, I can't poke it through that hole to save it, because I end up with it all frayed. Anyhow, it threads front to back.